Hey guys, I am showing you all this really cute little outfit that I've put together. This is the Faye blouse. This is a beautiful, almost rust color or a dark bronze color top that has these really nice sparkles to it. It is one shoulder and it has this elastic so it's nice and sturdy. It's a little bit, I feel like a puffier sleeve, so it does dress it up a little bit. And I've just paired it with these vegan leather pants. And I think it's a really cute little party outfit. I'm showing you all the Poling pants. And this is what they look like here. And what's really cool about it, I've actually owned these pants, and every time I wear them, somebody asks me where I got them. These are cool, they have pleats in the front, and they fit more as a trouser. So they don't fit tight, it's a straight leg fit, more relaxed, whatever the case, whatever you wanna call it. And I am in a small, they come extra small to large. We do have limited sizing available, so if you like them, hop on them now.